Guys, we need to talk about this friggin' 2 pounds of beef. What? I've mentioned this before, and I'm just reminding you, this is not new what I'm saying, is dangerous. Not only is it you at risk to exacerbate your hypoglycemia, but your thyroid, if you have any problems, and listen with the new ear, with gout, uric acid, purines, kidney issues, kidney crystals or stones, eating 2 pounds of beef is going to make things worse because you instantly drop a lot of water. Carbohydrate, the cells swell up with water, and you hold on to your electrolytes more easily when you're coming from a carb diet. You drop out the carbs, you drop the water via the kidneys, you're dehydrated, your electrolytes off, your sodium potassium pumps off, you're pounding down the meat, your stool is turning yellow. That too. No. Your urine is turning yellow and you don't feel well. And everyone's like, no, just do more salt without the potassium, right? To make you even more sick. No, just eat more beef. You're doing it the wrong way. I can't with all this. And I can't with the fact that people are saying eat a bunch of red meat and then people aren't eating grass-fed red meat. And then they're not diversifying their meats because they have leaky gut. So now people are pounding down 2 pounds of salmon. Don't! What? You guys are having histamine response. That's the reason why you're doing carnivore, right? Fish has bacteria. It's the bacteria that you're reacting to. That gut wall is not going to seal up and get tight again. So you can eat vegetables without feeling like you're going to keel over or die and have skin issues. Okay? So this 2 pounds of beef is dangerous. There is no, amount of beef or, how many grams of beef per pound of weight or per kilo. You cannot equate the body in a number because we all have different issues. Some of you have hypochlorhydria. You can't even break down that protein. You're not taking in the iron and the B12 because your gut is screwed up. And now you're pounding down 2 pounds of beef. You're not digesting it well. And you're overwhelming the digestive tract and becoming constipated or getting loose stool. And people are like, why am I getting loose stool? You're pounding down 2 pounds of beef and you have a gallbladder issue. You're getting sick. And people don't know what to do. Just eat more beef. Don't rotate your beef if you got histamine. Just eat more beef since you're having kidney issues. Yes, you can have kidney issues if you have an underlying issue from being dehydrated. No one's talking about that. It's just a quickie. I got a couple more to come. Since I'm not in the studio, and I hate the lighting there. It literally is so harsh and the Greek guy's gonna get so mad at me. I'm just standing next to my window with freaking natural lighting. Jeez. All right, guys, I have a keto course where I cover keto, omnivore, and carnivore, and low carb, high fat. I do consultations where I hook you guys up because people are starting to realize that there's no instruction for carnivore. But because I've done keto for 12 years without refeeding once, right? And I did carnivore for almost a year, and I'm pretty much doing it now because the only freaking thing I eat is an avocado. I know the dangers. And no one's talking about it. But I am, because I have been doing it for so long. This is not new to me. This is old hat to stuff, okay? You have to get those fats up. Please don't eat 2 pounds of beef. Make your carnivore experience of healing the body a ketogenic where you actually can get into ketosis. Actually, right? So you don't develop hypoglycemia and lower your T3. I can't with all this stuff. So much misinformation. Don't trust anyone, not even me. Take what I'm saying, research like I do. And well, you don't work with people. That's where I get a lot of my knowledge from. People are coming to me. It's happening like crazy. Carnivore yogi, clients are having issues. There's 3 people right now who are really having serious health issues with their electrolytes doing carnivore, and it's dangerously a problem. There's a woman, first a carnivore yoga showed me a woman who had developed between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Her pancreas stopped working properly on carnivore. I had a client whose sodium potassium balance is messed up on carnivore, which is affecting his heart, which is affecting everything in his body. Nobody's talking about making sure you get your electrolytes and your magnesium glycinate. Please don't eat 2 pounds of beef. Please don't do that. Make it a ketogenic version. Learn how to use ketones so your immune system doesn't tank even more. And cortisol doesn't have to take over for energy because you're not going to get it from meat. It's just not going to happen, especially with hypochlorhydria and especially when you have a histamine response to all that friggin' beef. Not everybody, but a lot of you. Stephanie Ketogenic for my Instagram, which is all free content. Go there. StephaniePerson.com for a consultation or to join my course page, which costs pennies and is worth it. And I'm out. I've got some energy. Bye, guys.